Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Google Ads keyword match types for SEO-friendly strategy step by step clearly. To verify Google Ads keyword match types for an SEO-friendly strategy, begin by logging into your Google Ads account. Navigate to the Keywords tab in the left-hand menu. Here, you will see a list of keywords you are currently using. Identify the keywords for which you want to check match types. Next, look at the column labeled Match Type. In this column, you will find the current match types assigned to each keyword. Understanding these match types is crucial for optimizing your SEO strategy. Broad match allows your ad to show for searches that include misspellings, synonyms, or related searches. Phrase match displays your ad for searches that include the exact phrase or close variations. Exact match shows your ad only for searches that match the exact keyword. Negative match helps prevent your ad from showing for specific keywords you want to avoid. Review the keywords that have broader match types first. Consider whether they are relevant to your SEO goals. If you find irrelevant broad match keywords, switch them to phrase or exact match as needed. For instance, if a broad match keyword is generating irrelevant traffic, adjust it for precision. Next, analyze the performance metrics of these keywords. Look for metrics like click-through rate and conversion rate. High performance on certain match types can guide your SEO content strategy. After reviewing the match types, document the findings in a spreadsheet. Group keywords by their match types for clarity. This will help you visualize which types are bringing valuable traffic. Based on your analysis, adjust your keyword strategy accordingly. Incorporate successful keywords into your SEO content plan. Use this data to refine both your Google Ads and SEO strategies continuously. Revisit your keywords periodically to remain aligned with your SEO goals. Stay informed about changes to Google Ads match types and how they affect your strategy. Now you have a clear process for verifying Google Ads keyword match types to support your SEO-friendly strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.